back to the Beautiful Things channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some art kits. These are all available on Amazon. So we have a diamond sticker art. I am going to do these and then I will come back and say what I think. Right, this is what's inside. So we have some beads here for the different packs. And we have, so it shows what all of the animals and creatures are. And then we have some tools. So let's get started.
Are there any instructions?
The
The answer's no. We've got to work this out for ourselves, haven't we? So that's the first negative. So we've worked it out.
It's so fun.
There's a little tool that picks up. It's got
And you
clay in the end, don't you? This is like modelling clay, so sticky clay.
And you peel a bit off and then you
stab it. Show me the little tool. You stab the end of the tool. I can't get that to focus, but you stab that in the end of the clay so it gets sticky, and then it can pick up the
But
little
you have
gems.
to pick it up on the circle side so it's flat like this.
And then you can pop it down, and it's all got little numbers, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you can make sure you get the right one. It's a bit like paint by numbers. I quite like it.
Yeah.
The only downside is that all these little beads, although they're all numbered and you do know which ones come with which kits, is that they come in little bags like this. So you don't need all of these for this one sticker, so you need to store them away again. So they would be better, I think, if they had little grip seal bags, wouldn't they? But I'm going to go and find some so we can put them away safely.
Finished!
Show us.
So I did a little tiny tattoo.
He's cool, isn't he? Did you find that easy enough?
Yeah, it was actually quite fun.
What did you like about it?
I liked how it wasn't too hard or too easy. It was kind of in the middle. And also I liked how it had the numbers so you knew what to do, and it was kind of like colour by number apps.
It's cool, isn't it? You said it was very relaxing as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
So you're going to do another one?
Yeah, I'm going to do a octopus.
Perfect. So would you recommend this one to others?
Yes.
You can get lots of different ones, can't you?
Yeah, I've got like monkeys. There's different subjects. I had pandas. Like, what is that?
That's an Indian duck, I think.
And then I have like
all the under the sea ones, and then
I'm doing the under.
These ones are like little woodland creatures, but we're doing under the sea at the moment. They say we need a little grip seal bags really for these, but we've found a little box that we're putting them in for now.
And then we'll like do the number.
Yeah, but there's not going to be enough slots in there, so it's going to be a bit of a work in progress as to how we're going to keep these.
Write the numbers on the top, so one there, so then you're looking, and then.
But when you look at all the packs you've got of all the different diamonds, I've said to Izzy it's best to do one pack at a time rather than sort of work her way through them. So she's doing the under the sea one first of all. We found the easiest thing to do was to actually cut round the sticker and take it away from the sheet, because you have to peel off this clear film to get to the sticky underside, and we kind of worked out how to use this tool thing. But yeah, we got there, and it is fairly simple to do. Yes, there's no instructions, but I think if we can work it out, they can work it out, can't they?
It feels really bumpy and like smooth.
So we finished a turtle and an octopus. I think we can safely say that this set is a resounding thumbs up. What do you give it out of 10?
10 out of 10.